Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car to Eddie in ERLC. First, you'll need to locate Eddie's dealership on your map. Once you've found it, drive the vehicle you wish to sell directly into the designated selling area within the dealership. Make sure your car is in good condition, as this can significantly impact the offer you receive from Eddie. This initial step is crucial for a smooth transaction. After parking your vehicle, approach Eddie, the non-player character, to begin the selling process. A user interface menu will then appear on your screen, clearly displaying the offer Eddie is willing to pay for your specific vehicle. Take a moment to review this offer. You'll then have the option to either accept the proposed amount and complete the sale, or decline it if you feel it's not satisfactory. To ensure you get the best possible price for your car, consider making some preparations. Firstly, repairing any existing damage to your vehicle before selling can significantly increase its value. Secondly, customizing your car with popular modifications might also boost Eddie's offer. Finally, selling vehicles that are generally in high demand or are considered rare within the game often results in a more generous payout. It's important to remember that Eddie's offers are not fixed. They can fluctuate based on several factors, including the vehicle's type, its current condition, and the game's market demand. You are only able to sell one vehicle at a time during each interaction with Eddie. Also, keep in mind that there is no negotiation system in place. Eddie's initial offer is final for that particular selling attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.